Case of Muyideen versus Ìbùkún versus Agbala Gabriel Foundation. Why is it that a lot of Nigerians are adding emotions and sentiment to this case? Kilo ṣẹlẹ̀. I have seen a whole lot of comments on social media. Àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan sọ pé àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan ló ń push Ìbùkún kó lọ sún ọkọ ènìyàn Muyideen ojú ẹ̀ máa tó dáa. Àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ̀ tún dá again sọ pé ìjà Muyideen àti Agbala Gabriel Foundation àti Ìbùkún ti da Christian versus Muslim. Àwọn Christians ló ń push Ìbùkún kó lọ sún ọkọ ẹ̀. Àwọn Muslim náà ló ń push Muyideen against Agbala Gabriel Foundation. I'm like, please spare me the crap. Why are Nigeria like this? Do people even know the gravity of what Muyideen has done on social media against his wife and Agbala Gabriel Foundation? Coming to social media, that's what the film character in you. Telling on Nigeria simply Okaya where at the Agbala Gabriel Foundation, turn la people around, one bench around, one kere around, and you just let it go. And you still went ahead, like Lossie, she wedding, or Lossie court, or Lossie church, when you see me. And people, he was saying it all around. Our bloggers here, our fast, they were helping him to spread it, and nobody stopped him. Nobody said anything. In fact, I want to go to one criticize Ìbùkún. They were on social media. They kept on writing. If you show for Agbala Gabriel Foundation, make it take Muyideen to court. If you show for Ìbùkún, make it take Muyideen to court. And just sort of a sudden, Ìbùkún don't take Muyideen to court now. Now can they cry again for social media? Waiting that really want. I don't get it. So people don't know when it comes to issue of integrity, you need to wise up. I tell you, if this Ìbùkún no sue Muyideen to court, tomorrow now, and then we'll use and cause this lady to say after all, to ba sure for why be ex-husband in your Muyideen if peradventure at the end of the day they get separated when they get to court. I get to one company, and this lady is just trying to like fight for herself now. Let's agree that Pastor Gabriel the Muyideen doesn't court because I don't on the worry and don't they feel Muyideen okay mentally I get to one company and then we should take Pastor and the Pastor Gabriel. But for the sake of this integrity of Ìbùkún, I beg at the front time. I like her the way she did sue Muyideen. Let Muyideen go and bring out evidence. Let him bring out evidence. Let him bring out proof. Everything may happen. He didn't get evidence. And he said it with his own mouth. I heard it. You see, it's a different ball game when you come to social media. You have somebody, you cause person, see your head, see your nose, see your mouth. You understand? You can say all sorts of things against someone on social media. But when it comes to defaming the character of someone, coming all out, that's what's okay. And you know quite all right that this man you're talking about in your Pastor Gabriel is married. Apart from that, Pastor to negate this woman like your wife too. And you know, so you don't get proof, you don't get evidence. But the past 2-3 days, they don't give Muyideen let and Muyideen no come outside, don't talk anything. In your past, they don't talk anything for social media. All the bloggers, so they kept quiet. I hope they are just packing up, they are piling up all the evidence and proofs. Hopefully, they will take you to court and you hit it. They should even be happy because this is an opportunity, a great opportunity for them to prove themselves right in the court of law. And let everyone just say things against Ìbùkún. This time they should just shut up. I beg, when I go sit down. We need to be sincere. Seeing all sort of things on social media. After all, I beg me not come off. I really don't like the way Nigerians today add sentiment and emotions to most things on social media. Let's face reality. I beg. I like the way Ìbùkún is taking him to court. Let him go and bring proofs and evidence he has got.